Good morning. Hi, I'm Brendan Chung, and welcome to the December 4th episode of Skin Deep Development. Last week, I said we would start working on the lighter, but I was wrong. Today, we're actually not doing the lighter. We're going to play with a different idea. What we're going to do is we're going to try to make a teleportation grenade. So the way I was thinking this would work is you have the teleportation thing, you throw it, and then you throw the other one. And then when the other one touches the ground, it will teleport things within a radius to the location of this one. I think it's going to break a lot of things. I think it's going to cause all sorts of design problems. But I think it might be fun also. Let's give it a shot. Alright. So, we're in the chunk of code where we detect when the puck collides with something. So, when the puck touches something, we want to get its index number. It's not this. Okay, so when the puck touches the ground, we want to see if there's already another puck in the world. And if there is, we want to grab it. Number. Okay, so puck already exists in the world. Then we're going to do some debug. Make it say Babu. Alright, so if we shoot one puck, then nothing should happen. But once we shoot the other puck, perfect, cool. Okay. Great, cool. You know, there's gonna be. So right now I'm modifying the movable item code, but this is getting more complex than it's getting fairly complex, so it feels like I should split it off into its own file. So let's do that. Zot asks, hi, do you plan on using warm, cold shadow colors instead of the black ones you currently use? Nope. The tech that I'm using, this is the Doom 3 engine. It does these really sharp black stencil shadows. If you do have multiple light sources, then it'll illuminate them so that they're not black. But if you only have one light source, then you get a pure black shadow. Honestly, even if I did want to change it, I'm not sure if I would be able to, because that chunk of code is something that I don't really know how to dig into. What was I going to do? Right. Let's copy this guy. What's this called? Airport puck. Alright. We're going to break this off into its own file. Where are you? D3XP, BC, airport puck. All right. Okay, so let's do some renaming. They're called teleport puck. So this is all boilerplate stuff of getting the file up and running. Do that. All right, let's see if this compiles. Go. Ooh. Wow, it compiled. This is incredible. Cool. I love it when things compile. Okay, let's try to grab this collide code and see if it is okay with being jammed into my new hockey puck code. Grab you, throw you in here. Copy this thing, paste it over here. Do some more debug. IMU code. Let's see if you compile. All right, let's see if this works. So, if everything got hooked up correctly, it should give me a debug when this thing touches the ground. Boop. Beautiful. And also a beautiful landing by this little hockey puck. Nice job. All right, cool. That's great. I'm not, uh, So there's already this base code in the movable item, and I would love to use it, or reuse it. But I wonder if I can just can I just call it like that? Does it compile? How about that? Huh. Cool. Yeah, let's do that. Grab all this code, dump it over here, move that. Okay. Brian suggests maybe you can change a shadow by setting an ambient color somewhere. Yeah, you can do some. So the Doom 3 engine is most performant when it has a very small amount of lights overlapping each other. So if you do want colored shadows, or to the best of my knowledge, the only way to do it is to have two lights overlapping each other all the time. So you have the primary light to cast a shadow, and then you have a secondary light that tints the world. But I'm gonna guess this game might get some performance problems down the road. So right now I'm trying to avoid having a bunch of lights overlap each other. Anton asks, is this going to be like in and outflow tunnels? Don't know how feasible it is, but it would look amazing if they shrunk into one end and shot at the other. That would be cool. I am not aware of any scaling functionality in this engine. But you can I think you could do a very convincing job of faking that effect with particles and sound and stuff. Yeah, that is something I want to try out. Alright, so we have this puck, you shoot it, nothing happens, you shoot this one, aha, debug message appears. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we now have the second puck. What's going to get weird is what happens if you teleport one puck into the other. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we have this puck. I noticed the debug message kept pinging after that. So we need to figure out how do you... We don't want it to teleport every single time it hits the ground. Maybe there's just a... Maybe it's activated whenever the player throws it. So when the player throws it, it'll have a flag that says is being thrown. And then once it touches the ground, then to deactivate that flag. Let's try that out. That might work. Okay. Okay, we'll do it through the... through here? Yeah, we could do it through here, I think. Okay, so spawn... is being thrown. 1. Okay. So you collided with something. Let's do another check. Make sure that the velocity of this thing is at a certain number. If you're less than 10, then ignore it. And if your is being thrown flag what was the name of it? Where'd you go? There you are. If you are being thrown, or if you're not being thrown, then return. Okay, so now, instead of calling this, instead of attempting to teleport every time it bounces, it should only try to teleport once when it touches the ground. Oops. Okay, shoot it. Nothing happens. Shoot it again. Ah, why is it being called a bunch of times? Spawn arc set pool. If is being thrown 0, then get out of here. I think my logic is bad here. If you are being thrown, then... Oh. Okay. You in there. Okay, throw it once, throw it twice. What's happening here? If you are being thrown, it's being thrown. This, it's not setting it to false for some reason. Let's try that. Oh, perfect. Okay. Cool. So, it only gets called once now. Okay, so when it does get called, we want to teleport everything at my position to the position of the other spot, and have the other spot move all their stuff to my spot. Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay, so let's try to find there's a function that grabs all things within a certain radius of me. Where was it? I think it might be right. Here it is. Entities within radius. Now should this also work for things that are, should it try to grab things that it does not have a line of sight to? I throw a grenade, it touches the ground, and it zaps things that it doesn't see. Sure, let's just do that. It's easier to do that, and we can walk backwards later if we don't want it. Okay, so let's break this out into its own function. Teleport. Things to my position, or source position, target position. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna make a new function. This says teleport things to another place. This will make our code easier and less messy. Okay, we got you, got that. get the list of all the entities near me. Okay, got that. Okay, so we only want to teleport certain things. We don't want to teleport doors or hallways. We only want... There it is. Movable items. If all right, if you are a movable item, or if you are a movable thing, or if you are a actor. Right. If you're not any of these things, okay, if you are not any of the things, then break out of the loop. Otherwise, move you over to the other thing, to the other position. We're going to do a super test version of this first. So what we're going to do... Oh, wait. Source position. Radius of 512. What we're going to do is we're just going to snap it to the position of the puck. Set origin, target position, and raise it a little bit. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. Oh wait, I didn't hook it up. Let's hook it up first. Teleport things to from my position and other puck. Oh wait, no, I don't want that. Okay, so if this does not explode, they should swap the objects, swap objects from one puck to the other puck. I'll put you right here. I'll put you over here. What just happened? That was a mess. Okay, so it teleported. It grabbed the puck also and put it over there. Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. So the range was 512. Let's try 256. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put this puck over here. Then we're gonna shoot this canister. Huh, what's happening here? So it grabs everything. I think it's working. I just don't quite understand why it's grabbing me also, because it feels like I'm pretty far away from it. Hmm. 256. Let's try 128. Or let's try 64. Okay, go over there. Ha! Alright, that's pretty fun. That's pretty cute. Yeah, I think I like this. Okay, so it's teleporting the puck also. Which makes sense, but is weird. Maybe you should just ignore. Yeah, maybe this should just ignore pucks. If you're a puck, then don't teleport it. Okay, destination. What? Why? That was weird. So it did not teleport anything, but it made the puck kind of jump up like a bean over there. So it's like teleporting to its own location. Source position, target position. Ardon5 asks, is this using a Doom 3 starter pack engine? I think it was also used in Quad Cowboy. No, so I made the Doom 3 starter pack during one of the 7-day FPS game jams, and so the starter pack is kind of a super stripped down version of the Doom 3 engine, whereas this is just based off the... Actually, this is based off of DHEWM3, Doom 3, a really cool Doom 3 engine port that has some really good features, and I recommend it to people wanting to play the Doom 3 engine. Okay, why is this not working? If int is type, it puck. Continue. Okay, so grabs all entities at the source position. If yes, then continue. Go over there. Oh, I think I know why. Okay, so now it should work. Or not, I don't know, fine. Yeah, so I think what's happening is I'm moving it over to the new position, and therefore it's teleporting to... I'm moving the target over to the source, and then it teleports to itself, and it looks messed up. But if I wiggle these variables around, I think this might work. Source position. Okay. Let's see if that works better. All right, you go over there. It's still not working. Oh. I wonder if it's because... Yeah. Is it because I'm teleporting things to a new spot, and then I'm just immediately teleporting it back to the original spot with this call right here? Okay. Yeah, that might be the problem. Okay. Okay, so we just gotta restructure this code so that it doesn't do that. Entity list. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to structure this in a way that works. Well, before I do that, let's check in what we got so far. Yep. Okay. All checked in. Cool. I can only think of how to do this in a messy way, and so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we have, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna duplicate this code twice. I really don't want to do that. That's so ugly. Okay, we'll just, we're gonna do it messy. Source listed entities, source entity list. Okay. Source entities. Source position. Let's do a constant. I want to do a, there it is. Forgot that syntax. Constant, radius equals 64. Source entity list. Okay, got that. Now we got this target entity list. Entities. Okay, so we have a list of all things at the source position. We have a list of all the things at the target position. Well, let's see what happens. Source listed. Actually, we can. Let's do a little bit of cleanup. Or let's try to make this code a little bit more modular. No suitable couldn't function from. Okay. Well, let's try teleporting these things now. Teleport things to listed entities, source listed entities, go to source entity list. Copy you. All right, let's try it out. Go over there. Awesome. Great. I love it. Let's check that out one more time. Go over there. Teleports a little teapot. It's very cute. Sweet. Let's try to use this offensively. Yeah, let's try to trap a person on top of this structure. So I'm gonna drop you right there. Now we're gonna try to find the bad guy. Now he's mad. All right. That's fun. Cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Nickel Ale asked, did we forget about the lighter already? Nope. The lighter is still on the to-do list. I was just in the middle of working on this, and it felt better to see where this went. Okay. Tugaslaw asked, can you translocate yourself? I think so, but let's try it out. Where do I want to teleport to? Let's try to shoot it up there. Wow, that sucked. I guess you can't shoot it up very well. Let's teleport myself onto this nice, beautiful carpet. Over here. I'm gonna bonk my head. Oh, that's cute. That's great. Let's do that again. Oh no, why isn't it working? So it worked the first time, but then I tried to do it again, and it is just teleporting me to my current position. Oh, now it worked. All right, the logic is still, there's still weirdness there. Oh no. Oh no. It crashed. It's not good. What object are you trying to look at? Oh, energy number -1. That's not good. Okay. Mitch Mastroni asks, I'm late to the stream. Have we already talked about what happens when the pucks are placed on top of each other? Right now I'm just making the pucks ignore other pucks from teleporting. Which is the easiest way to get around that problem. Because if they do... So I guess the final result would be that they would teleport each other? I don't know. Let's see what happens when I do that. So puck right there. I'm gonna shoot it up and get out of the way. Oops. Yeah, right now it just kind of does nothing. I think that's fine. Anton asked, would all the objects zap together into a pile and interact with the other puck? What I would like to do is to not have them jam up into a big ball of objects, because it looks weird. What I would like to do is for them to teleport while retaining their original offset locations to the puck. So if you have a nice living room set, you could teleport that exact same living room layout to another place. Yeah. Cool. Let's check interchanges. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, this is very exciting. I think this is gonna be pretty fun to play with. It's gonna cause a lot of problems. I'm very excited to see what happens here. I think I'll call it a day for now. Thanks y'all for joining. I think we did a lot of cool stuff. I think this is going to be pretty fun to play with. And instead of promising what we're going to work on next time and breaking that promise, I'll just say we might be working on the teleport thing again next time. And just to see where it goes. Cool. Thanks for joining. I'll see you on Thursday morning. I'll see you then. Bye.